But I have not been following up these things of yours. I've been giving you money. How much money have we spent on that? The casino?
From Schedule 1, since 2008-9 financial year, total is 231 billion 628 million.
231 billion. Yes. 231 billion has been spent on that. So, I need this meeting with the veterans. The committee of Jacobo, Musajawa, of Asimu, and then this the committee of Sedung is now old man. He doesn't follow. It is these younger ones who are following. That. So we need to what happened? 231 billion. How many of the 5 million were got? And how many of the 1.5? Then we didn't stop there. 2013, when I started Operation Wealth Creation, yatandikira Luwero. I told Sare, first give seedlings to the families of the veterans. So ko owereze amaka g'abalwanyi. Seedlings ez'emmwanyi, ez'ebibala, ebyamagana. First give the veterans. And he spent like a year or two doing that. So I said, abazirwanako obamazi nti mbamazi. Obatuuseko bona nti mbatuuseko. Okay, kale obaze kutuukako abazirwanako now gabira abalala. This is how I did it. So I will get Sare's list. Sare should be in that meeting. With his list. Naye ffe Abaganda tulina engero zaffe. Ffe Abaganda b'omu Lukoola. Ekitata buyima tekimumalako nti wadde ebyo byonna bibaddewo Katonda kyatuleese wano. So we are going to have a meeting and find out what happened to all this money. The 231 billion does not include the seedlings of Operation Wealth Creation. That's separate now. Kati akasikano kabanda okayogerako tebandigenziyo kubanga betwasooka mpozo oluvannyuma nawulirako no, but that one doesn't apply kubanga oluvannyuma bagamba nti abamu abazirwanako tebalina ttaka. Okay, oba temwalina ttaka naye mwafuna akasiimo. Genda okola ebirala ebiteetaaga ttaka. Because the casino was in cash. It was cash. The casino was in cash. The seedlings were the ones you could say walina okubeera n'ettaka, but ekibanja, but the cash you didn't have to have ekibanja. So therefore, in spite of all those efforts, we are now going to meet again, and we are not, even if the veteran died, the children are there. We shall see how to give, I'm glad you have formed circles, and those circles should preferably not too far, because when you say where is too big. That's why I like the PDM. PDM is in a parish. So maybe the circles here could be, we shall discuss, should it be by the command areas, because we had Black Bomba, we had Mondlane, we had Nkuruma, we had Ngoma, we had Chiwanguzi. Should we follow that, or we shall see? Kubanga sagala abantu baffe bagende wala okusaka sente wala. Kiba kirungi bakolere obuweereza babuje awali okumpi. Now, nze enkola yange sirana n'abaavu. Nabagamba nti sagala kulirana n'abaavu buli wembeera. Kulwaki? Kubanga ntya omwenzi ndi mukristaayo, njagala kugenda mu ggulu. Saagala bamalayika banzigalire tugwe omusajja omugaga, olinga wali omugaga w'omu Bayibuli eyalina obugaga wano ku nsi bwe yatuuka mu ggulu ne bamusindika mu Geyeena. Iyo nsonga mbagamba nti buli wembeera ndina okugeza